Let's learn how to crochet the Carnation coaster. Take out the white yarn and pull the yarn. Form a loop. Pull yarn through. First chain to CH2. Hook, yarn over yoke, crochet inside. First crochet 1 double crochet DC. Place markers. Let's look over here. After finishing, a shape is formed here. This is the first stitch. Then chain 1 CH1. This is the first set. Need to crochet 12 sets total inside here. After 12 sets are done, tighten this loop. Then with the previous marker position, join with a slip stitch saw straight. First pull through, then pull through again. Pull tight. Pull tight. Then I chain 1 CH1. Fasten off. We can take a look. This post is 1 double crochet. Here the first one. This one is a chain stitch. This doesn't count. Then it's first, second, third. Find the position of the previous chain stitch. The middle position between the two posts. Insert the hook. Change color CC. First chain to CH2. Then crochet to double crochets DC. Place a marker on the first one. Then 2 double crochets. After finishing, chain 1 CH1. This is the first set. Need to crochet 12 sets total. This strand. Place the excess yarn on top of the hook and hold it down. This allows you to weave in the end. Pay attention here. This is the very beginning. The starting chain. Then in the first rounds, marker position. Pay attention here. This position, because this is the 2 starting chains. So this does not count as a stitch. There is a hole here. No need to crochet into it. Crochet into the next hole. After crocheting to the last stitch, slip stitch sew straight to this first stitch. Okay, then chain 1 CH1, then fasten off. You can count here. To chain stitches count as one set. Total of 12 sets. Then change to white yarn again. Third round is crocheted into the previous rounds. This chain stitch space. First chain to CH2, then crochet 3 double crochets DC. Place marker on the first stitch. After 3 double crochets are done, chain to CH2. This is one set, then the second set. This is the second set. Need to crochet 12 sets total. When reaching here, it's the same. This starting chain does not count as a stitch. When crocheting to the last stitch, slip stitch sew straight to the first stitch. Slip stitch, chain 1 CH1, fastened off. Then change to green yarn. Still from this. Large hole to crochet. First chain to CH2, then crochet 1 double crochet DC. Skip to chain stitches. Into the hole, crochet another double crochet. This is our crochet pattern. After finishing, chain to CH2. This is our crochet pattern. One double crochet. Need to crochet 12 sets total. After the last set is done, slip stitch sew straight to the first stitch. Fasten off. This yarn tail, woven in all ends together later. Then change color CC. Pay attention here. Into this hole, crochet 6 double crochets DC. Then into the hole next to it, crochet 1 single crochet SC. Let's start from the adjacent hole. This is 1 stitch where to were crocheted. Then chain 1 CH1, then crochet 1 single crochet SC. Place markers. Yarn over yo. Add this to China's space. Crochet 6 double crochets DC. After 6 double crochets, this is 1 pattern set. Need to crochet 12 sets total. Then into this stitch, crochet a single crochet SC. After this round is done, still slip stitch sew straight to the first stitch. Chain 1 CH1, fastened off. Hold tight. Crochet the last round. Change color CC. Find the first marker position. First chain 1 CH1. Here is the single crochet position. Just crochet a slip stitch sew straight on the double crochet stitches. Crochet single crochet SC. Need to crochet 3. After chain stitches, just keep repeating. The double crochet has already been crocheted on. Then let's look. On the stitches above the single crochet, need to crochet a slip stitch SL straight. The pattern is done. Continue crocheting single crochets. Okay, 6 sets of single crochets. After 6 sets are done, we need to crochet a slip stitch. After crocheting to the last stitch, still slip stitch straight to the first stitch. After the slip stitches, chain 10 CH10. Make a hanging loop. If you don't need a hanging loop, you can just slip stitches here directly, then chain 1 CH1, fasten off. This is completed. If you preferred flattering, you can use a household iron to iron it. Then take out a tapestry needle. Woven in the ends. Note, if there are many yarn tails, take a glue stick. Cut it into a slanted tip like this. Then after weaving in the ends, apply a little glue at the base. This will make it more secure. If you have a hot glue gun, it's more convenient. Apply a little bit of glue like this. With a little leftover glue, this way, it's very secure. And these yarn tails, woven in the same way,